Have you ever sat down fully motivated to draw, but you just kept staring at the blank canvas and you didn't even know what to draw? I used to struggle with this massive art block to the point that I didn't even draw for many weeks. Because of that, I didn't even make any progress with my art and I got super tired with it. Therefore, I went and tried basically every single way to fix it, but everything failed me. Besides a few that instantly destroyed my art block and let me finally create whatever I wanted. So let me give you 5 ways that will help you destroy your art block and will let you create again even better drawings. First one I found out on an accident. One day I felt this motivation to draw and I've sat down, but I kept looking at this blank canvas and after a couple of minutes I realized that I didn't even know what to draw. But then I remembered a challenge that I tried to do where each day for a month I tried to draw a different character that I really liked. I failed that challenge, but still I had this list of the characters that I wanted to draw. Therefore I just went and picked the one from the top and I drew it. So this actually sparked an idea that I can make a to-do list but for characters that I want to draw. It is very simple, but we can do much more with it than just write our characters. But first, how do you do that? For that, you can use a simple sticky notes, or you can use a Notion, or what I use is Milnote, not sponsored. Basically, you create a to-do list, name it to-draw list, or whatever you want, to be honest, and just type the characters that you want to draw. Obviously you want to write these characters not when you're drawing, but when you have just some time. So here you have a character that you want to draw and just a checkbox next to them. And now basically whenever I don't know what to draw, I just sit and stare at the blank canvas. I just open this to draw list and pick the character from the top and then I'll draw it. And if I finish it, I just check the box and go to the next one next time. But here's the thing, you can still get an art block even though you know what characters to draw. So that's why we want to add a little bit more to this. So here you can come up with ideas for it. So basically what pose, what lighting, what colors, what mood. You can even pick already references that you'll be using for this. And just next time when you have an art block, you just pick the one from top. But now you have everything figured out, so you just draw. And if you want my brushes, they are for free in description. And with them you can get 30 art tips that will help you improve your art in 30 days. Now, next one I discovered a couple of weeks ago and super good. It was also random. Recently I just wanted to draw something else than only studies, which I did a lot of. And I wanted to draw something else, something that doesn't really require brain and is super quick. So I went and gathered some artworks from other artists that I really liked. And here I still didn't really know what to draw, so I just put these references and just started to draw them. Now here's what I realized. After a couple of them, I started to draw something and I just kept going. Basically, it's the same as if your car just stopped and you needed to push it to start it. That's what it was for me. So gather references, artworks of artists that you like or just what artwork you like and then try to draw them. You'll see that your brain will actually try to draw something and create something else after some time. But not only that, it also gives you a lot of motivation because the drawing that I did turned out pretty well and were obviously much easier because I had basically the thing that I was drawing. But if that, you also build your mental library, which then in the future will help you come up with cool ideas for drawing. So basically go and consume art and try to draw it. Now disclaimer, I don't really say that you need to copy other artists, just draw it and use it as something that will help you jumpstart your drawing. So basically don't share it online and don't say that you did it. Now next one is also super simple and helped me really well in the beginning, and this one can be combined with the first one and they work pretty well. One day I was planning my YouTube videos and it struck me and I wondered why I never get any blocks while recording the videos and I always knew what to do. But whenever I tried to draw something, I struggled with it and the answer was obvious. I obviously plan and script my videos, so whenever I'm doing them, recording them, I know exactly what to do. So here I did the same but for drawing. In the evening I sat down and planned what I'll be drawing tomorrow and when. So what characters, how I want it to look. I also gathered some references. I basically planned a whole drawing, so I knew exactly what I'll be drawing tomorrow and when. And with that to draw list, you can basically come up with ideas for a whole week or even a month. But even with this, sometimes I end up with getting art block again. So next day after I already started this drawing and I just wanted to come back to it, I just sat and looked at it and I got overwhelmed because I didn't really know what to do next, what to focus on. Do I start rendering? Do I start laying out colors? Maybe just not draw. But here's the thing that helped me overcome it. I not only planned everything that will be in this drawing, but also what stage I wanna do. So do I want to sketch? Do I want to lay flat colors? Do I want to start shading or final post-processing? And because of that, I knew exactly what I'll be doing, and with that I had no excuses to not draw. So plan and schedule your drawings. Have you ever get a brilliant idea for a drawing that you were super excited to do, but still when you sat down, the idea just magically disappeared? I had this for a really long time, and it was really annoying. After I read a book that told me to write ideas that I will get throughout the day, I started doing that. So while I was at work, while I was on a bus or even shopping, I just captured every idea that I got and put it straight into my notes app. Then when I sat down to draw, I had this exciting idea for a drawing that I wanted to draw. It was super simple to just start and keep going. And for that you can use whatever you want. I just use a basic notes app. But you can even use a small book that you take everywhere. But ideally something that you can open really quick. So try to capture drawing ideas throughout the day. It will save you a lot of time wasted on staring at the blank canvas. So this one is a little bit different than others. I discovered this one when I was looking back at my art journey. And then I saw something interesting. When I was consistent with drawings, I saw that I was getting more ideas much quicker. Also, these ideas were much better. After a period of drawing every single day for a long time, I realized that it was much harder to actually get an art block. I remember hearing a quote about it. So basically these ideas aren't magical that just come out to you randomly, but basically you get them while you allow them to just pop out in your head while you just sat down to actually draw. And the more you do it, the faster we'll get. And also if you want to learn how to draw hair, basic bodies or basic faces, you can check out my tutorials on Patreon, link below. Now to recap everything that will help you destroy your art block, you want to use a to-draw list, basically a list of characters that you want to draw. And then when you get an art block, you just pick the one from top and you draw it. Then you can just try to copy drawings of your favorite artist and try to spark the idea of your own drawing. Then you actually want to plan every single drawing and schedule them. Another one is to not waste any ideas that you get throughout the day and capture them in your notepad or write them somewhere. And then draw daily and be consistent. So basically this idea will come to you much quicker. And with this you won't get art blocked, so you'll be able to draw characters that you really want to draw. And one thing that will help you with drawing the characters is understanding anatomy. So this video here will help you with this. Bye.